So, what are you eating for lunch, Jord? Oh, not much. Just a peanut butter and banana sandwich. And a glass of milk. Okay, so I've made my whole new backdrop for the for my dust collector table. My last upload was on my dust collector table. This upload is for all the carving bits I use, guys. Okay? So let's get started here. These bigger ones, like this, these are 1/4 inch aluminum cutters. Type in on eBay 1/4 inch aluminum cutters. You can see the flutes on here, the cutters, okay? They're a single flute all the way down there. Okay? Just one straight thing down there. This is a steel Deburring. Okay, you can see the difference, guys. The one on the left is aluminum cutter. The one on the right is a steel Deburring. These are 1/4 shafts. The bigger ones up there, okay? That's what I use for the foredom. This is the foredom, the whole foredom flex shaft. There's my foredom, okay? Boom, boom. This is a Kutzall 1/4 inch extreme flame burr right there, okay? For the Kutzalls, guys, the link will be listed below to get to the site, and type in C Fusion as a code to save yourself 5%. My go-to carving burrs are the Kutzalls. That's what I use. That's the make I use. It's the make that I love. This one's a little bit getting old. I'm waiting for my new Kutzalls to come in. I ordered them last week. This is a Kutzall too. It's an older style Kutzall, but they're still really a good aggressive bits. So when I was doing my bigger carving, say for example, I was going to cut a wood spirit beard in with this big thing, right? And it was just going to be big hairs. I'd use this. Then I would come along and use this. The steel cutting burr. Okay? Because this thing is going to leave cut marks. All these lines, little tiny cut marks in there. This is going to clean the hell of it out. It's going to clean it up. Okay, this is a steel working deburring burr. So don't get confused with the aluminum cutter with the steel cutter. Look at the difference. These both work on soapstone, or you can carve stone with these too. I love using the aluminum cutter for hardwood, okay? Oh man, these things are sharp and they'll cut through anything. They are very aggressive and they're very clean cutters too. You can use them for softwood too, but I suggest using them for hardwood. So you can see all the different shapes and sizes that I got of those. Let's see if we can get some better lighting here. See, like there's an aluminum cutter. You know, you can get the ball nose aluminum cutter, right? This is 1/4 inch. So the same goes for the, here, this is a steel cutter. Look how small this thing is. It's good to have lots of different burrs on hand when you're carving, guys, because then you know, my burr table will be right over here, my burr stand, and if I need to change it out, quick swap, put it in, start carving again. You know what I mean? This is how those, okay, this is 1/8 shaft. These ones, all these lower ones here, the smaller ones, are 1/8 shaft, and they're for my Dremel. Once again, this is a Kutzall extreme flame burr, okay? The link will be listed below to get to the site to buy these, okay? It's in the Dremel flex shaft. I run a Dremel 4300. This is just a cheap Wen tool. And, yeah, the Wen tool's for my sander. I have all my Dremels and my foredom hooked up to speed control foot pedals, okay? So, here's a Kutzall bit. Kutzall burr, extreme burr. This is the ones that I use, guys. This is a different style of Kutzall burr too. See? This one, You know, you could be carving out the letters of a sign, and you see the top here. If I get this to zoom in. See the burrs on the top there too? So then, once you got all your letters cut out, you can hold your Dremel straight up and go clean out all the wood inside the letters, or whatever you want to do with that type. But there's really two types of burrs that besides cleaning stuff up, and you get those small metalworking burrs, deburring. You'll type in on eBay, metalworking burrs, 1/8 shaft, or 3mm shaft. Sometimes in China, they're 3mm shaft. A set like this for the metalworking ones shouldn't cost you more than 15 bucks, free shipping. The aluminum working ones, okay, this is aluminum working ones. These ones are a little bit more expensive. You shouldn't pay more than 20 bucks for a set of 10. Okay, this is how the sets come, like this. They say this is an aluminum working shaft on Amazon, okay? They say this is aluminum working burr, but if you look at, I was pretty pissed off, but whatever. Look at the flute sizes. Okay, look at the one on the left and the one on the right. The one on the left is way more aggressive than the one on the right. This is what Amazon sells as aluminum cutters. These clean up your carvings real good too, guys. So don't listen to me like I use them, but I don't use them as much as I use these. These cut through stone. These cut through hardwood. These things cut through anything, and they're sharp as hell. Okay, and last but not least. So you can see the aluminum cutters come in all different sorts, shapes, and sizes. I use this too when I do signs and I carve letters, same as the other burr. You put it straight on, it's got a cutter on the top there. You put it straight on and clean out the inside of the letters. Okay. Last but not least, the Roto Zips. This is what I do lots of my wood spirit hairs with, okay? Or fine detail with. This is a wall tile cutting bit, Roto Zip. You should be able to buy them at your local hardware store. Here you go, wall tile, Roto Zip bits, wall tile. There's your part number. There's your part number. Carbide. See, they say this is a 3mm shaft too. 3mm shaft or 1/8, same things. So remember that when you're looking at burrs like this. From China, 3mm is a 1/8. See, you can get sets like this too. These are cutters. I haven't even used them yet. I think I paid 10 bucks for this set. This is for like cutting bones and stuff like that, or cutting letters or whatever, right? Guys, believe me, I've spent tons of money. These are little fine detailing burrs. Look how small those little things are. I've spent tons of cash, and this is why I created my channel. 1,000%, 1,000,000%. This is why I created my channel, because I had a hell of a time trying to find out what burrs work for what, and I wasted tons of cash. You should see the amount of, I have probably times 6 this in burrs, times 10 this in burrs that I don't use, that are sitting in little plastic boxes collecting dust. Okay? These are the ones I use. Aluminum cutters, steel burrs, steelworking burrs, Kutzall. They got different shapes and sizes, but these are my favorite ones. Kutzall. And what's the last one? The Roto Zip, guys. This is the burr stand I use, so I got my burrs on stand at all times. So when I'm carving, I got my tools going. I need to swap out a burr. Boom. Burrs done, ready to go, right beside me. Hope everybody's good. Buy some burrs.